Hello, these are instructions for Dr. Stephen Tager's class, Book of Mormon class. And what this will do will ensure that when you're doing a DBL assignment, that all of the points that you earned will be credited to you in Learning Suite. So we're going to ask everybody to do this, even though you may not have this challenge, but this ensures that there won't be any issues for any students in the class. So the first thing you do is come to Schedule, and then on Schedule, click your next assignment, like so. Go ahead and launch the learning module. And then if you're on a PC, you're going to click Control F5. That's Control F5. If you're on a Mac, it will be Apple plus R. Apple plus R. And then you'll see the entire model, like so. What we're going to do here is go ahead and sign out from here, or you can just go ahead and close that tab. And now we're back here. Now you can go back into the assignment, launch it, and you're good to go as soon as this comes up. And this will take care of that problem if any of you happen to have it. Let Dr. Tager know if you have any questions.